here at Azira, at the local Sahara Cafe, where a lot of people hang out in the evenings, play card games, have a lot of cigarettes, chill out. Ah, addicted to coffee again. That's how it starts. Do that. You go double six. Back to back, man. What I learned from locals is you should chill out, take your time easy, and don't worry about the dates, you know? Live slow. Still February. Where is the date? February 2015 here.
Barak.
Bang bang. So it's been a good session here at the local skate park. We snapped 2 boards today. I think Johnny wants to lose his ribs as well. And Julie wants to say hello. Yeah! Thank you. So we have our skateboarding session behind us. Just had 2 falafels. Men falafel.
أنا خيار. نور محمد. يلا.
Here's our head chef.
Yeah,
No
fine.
falafel.
Falafel free dinner.
Check.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself. That was chocolate. Okay.
Shit, I won! You're good, buddy. Woo!